We will begin with introduction and setup. Power BI is a powerful business intelligence tool used for data analysis and visualization. To get started, you'll need to install Power BI desktop on your computer and set up your environment. I will be taking you through the installation process. Once installed, you can explore its features and capabilities, getting familiar with its user interface, navigation, and menus. With Power BI, you can load data from various sources such as databases, spreadsheets, and web services. Once the data is loaded, you can use Power Query Editor to transform and clean it. This involves tasks like filtering, sorting, and merging data to prepare it for analysis. Data modeling is a crucial aspect of building effective reports and dashboards in Power BI. This involves organizing your data into fact and dimension tables, establishing relationships between tables using primary and foreign keys, and obviously optimizing the data model for efficient analysis. DAX or data analysis expressions is the formula language used in Power BI for creating calculated columns, measures, and other calculations. It's essential to understand DAX functions, syntax, and best practices to perform advanced analysis and calculations in Power BI. Next, you will learn how to create visually appealing and interactive reports and dashboards using Power BI. This involves selecting appropriate visualizations such as charts, graphs, and maps, designing the layout of your reports, and adding interactivity features like slices, filters, and drill down capabilities. Additionally, you will explore best practices for optimizing report performance and ensuring an intuitive user experience. By following this roadmap, you'll gain a solid understanding of Power BI's core functionalities and be equipped to leverage its capabilities for effective data analysis and visualization in a business context.